If you know anything about real estate, then I'm sure you know that updating your kitchen and baths can get you a lot more money for your home. Hi, I'm Rachel Bodner from Coldwell Banker and realestateamass.com, and I'm here to give you 6 tips that will help you save money on a kitchen renovation, but also get more money for your home. Number 1, make a budget. One of the best ways to save on a kitchen remodel is to make a budget and stick to it. A budget will help you to decide what you need while ensuring that you don't overspend. Number 2, use what you already have. If your cabinets are in good shape, then just reface them or get a professional painter in to give a brand new look. Number 3, replace your old lighting with more updated lighting and put in under cabinet lighting to make your kitchen feel more spacious and inviting. Number 4, do not redo the plumbing. Unless your plumbing is in need of repair, it is best to leave it alone, thus leaving your appliances in their current location. Number 5, installing granite countertops can increase the value of your home. But did you know that there are certain grades? While some will cost you a lot of money, others are far less. So go for either a remnant or an entry-level grade of granite. Most buyers are looking for those granite countertops, but they really won't know the difference, and this will save you money. And number 6, replace old appliances with new ones for an updated look. Again, I'm Rachel Bodner from Coldwell Banker and realestateamass.com. Please let me know if you have any questions about increasing the value of your home or any other real estate related issues. Thanks for listening and have a great home buying and selling day.